Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by securing power and doing a quick visual inspection. Turn the amp off and unplug it, then wait a couple of minutes so internal capacitors settle. Make sure speaker wires, input cables, and the fuse look intact. A bad lead often mimics volume failure. Set all knobs to unity or 12 o'clock and engage mute if present so you can safely power up later. Once done, you'll be ready to power on for measured tests without risking loud surprises. You now trace the signal path to locate where volume drops. Plug in a confirmed working source and replace cables to eliminate bad leads. Test each input jack individually. If possible, bypass external processors or the preamp and feed the power section directly. This tells you whether the problem is preamp or power amp related. Use a small scope or an LED probe to check for signal presence at input, preamp output, and power amp input. Once you identify the bad stage, prepare for component-level fixes or replacement. You perform repairs targeted to the failed section. Replace noisy potentiometers, electrolytic capacitors, or blown fuses, and resolder any cold joints you found. Reassemble and power on with the speaker disconnected or a dummy load in place. This prevents damage if the power stage still has issues. Gradually raise volume while monitoring for normal gain and noise. If the problem is intermittent, intentionally move connectors and cables.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.